When we stopped by Wisdom High School this week, Dr. Grace Nickerson, the 12th grade CTE administrator, gave us a tour of the school's Career and Technical Education, or CTE program. We saw coding, child development, and even construction classes. But it was the welding class that really stood out. At first, the students were quiet and modest about their skills and projects, but the moment we stepped into their shop, their eyes lit up, and one by one, they started to show us what they built.
So far, what we've done, what he has done is the swing, if you guys want to come check it out.
So this is a welding class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
This is the swing that he made.
And you all do this from scratch?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For me, one of the things that got me interested to welding was I really like to use my hands a lot. I'm interested in welding, and after this, like what I think I'm gonna go to trade school for welding, and I'm gonna use this as a basically like a warm up for me to be already specialized, or at least know simple things about welding. If y'all would like to follow me to show y'all the big grill that we have made. So this is a grill. It was the biggest grill we have made in here in welding.
And like, is it fully functional?
Yeah, it's fully functional. You can like flip it. They had cooked, GRTC already cooked on it. Oh, that was between all of us.
We just made grills. Some of us cut, some of us measure. We had to work all together to build this. We made about 4. We had to just either use the machines to cut. If it was thick, we had to use the plasma cutter, which is over here. There's 2. There's one for the computer, and there's one, that small one right here. We go into an app. We just put what we need, the measurement and everything, as you can see.
We could give them something to do and say, oh, we need this, we need that, and they will come together and they'll create it. So like this desk, we needed a desk to be out in the hallway to do hallway duty. They created the desk. Not only do they just work in the welding lab, they go outside of the welding lab and they make it better.
Our welding teacher, Mr. Geller, he enters us usually at the beginning of the year. He usually picks up like 5 students that he wants to take. Usually sometimes it's a less amount, which is like 3. Last year I went to competition with another student that is not here no more.
Last year, me and my friend, we made this birdhouse. It was an idea from the coach. He was like, if y'all want to make a birdhouse, and we started it from scratch. Just, you see that plate where it's holding? We saw that, and on that table that he showed you where it cuts the metal, I cut it every single piece, welded it together, and we found that pole, digged up the like 3-foot hole, put some cement, and yeah.
It's all part of how Wisdom High is turning classroom lessons into real-world success.